Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Adding black cumin to your diet may lower bad cholesterol and calm inflammation. A small randomized trial found that daily black cumin seed powder lowered cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL levels while raising HDL levels. Lab findings suggest black cumin may slow fat cell formation, which could help reduce obesity risk, though more research is needed. Black cumin seeds are available as a cooking spice or supplement. Black cumin seeds may help lower oxidative stress and inhibit early fat cell development, contributing to an anti-obesity effect. More research is needed to understand the long-term potential of black cumin seeds, as the current study was small and limited to a healthy Japanese population. Black cumin seeds may interact with certain medications like antihypertensives, diabetes drugs, and anticoagulants, so it's important to consult a healthcare professional before use. Black cumin seeds can be added to the diet through about half teaspoon per day as a cooking spice, or 500 to 1000 milligrams per day of black cumin seed oil supplements. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak